Holistic acupressure is a branch in which we combined various modality of alternative healing with the acupressure. Whole means complete. Complete healing science which works on chi, on emotion, on psychosomaticity, that is mind body medicine, stress management, stress reduction through music meditation, LSM lifestyle medicine. Let us understand these things in little bit detail. We are multidimensional being. We are complex being. We are not just physical body. This physical body is made up of energy, that is chi. And there are two types of chi, yin chi and yang chi. This chi can be balanced by acupressure. Beside acupressure, in which we massage acupressure point, we can balance chi by connecting with the sun, connecting with the earth, hugging the tree, and various other methods. In acupressure, we also work on the emotion. There are different emotions like anger is connected with the liver, anxiety is connected with the stomach, joy, happiness is connected with the heart. As per the need, we work on the energy. Beside acupressure point, we can manage the energy, emotion by EFT, emotional freedom technique, emotional freedom tapping. This is also very effective, like tapping the ST3 acupressure point on the face. I am aware that I have anxiety, but I choose to dissolve it. I let go. I am living in now. Tapping the acupressure point and simultaneously practicing affirmation, which is positive sentence in present tense. EFT is a very powerful science. In holistic acupressure, we combine EFT. We combine stress management, stress reduction by music meditation. Meditation is silencing the mind, and we use classical instrumental music for deepening meditation. Just sit still and listen the music and go within. Holistic acupressure point में चौथा point है psychosomaticity, mind body medicine. Our mind, our consciousness is connected with our physical body. कोई भी बॉडी इशू हो, वो माइंड में कोई बिलीफ पैटर्न हमारा डिस्टॉर्टेड है, तभी ऐसा होता है. कहने वाले कहते हैं 100% और एटलीस्ट 90% डिजीज आर originated from the mind. Even cancer starts from the mind. If we understand this mind-body connection, which belief pattern is associated with which disease, we can dissolve it by practicing right affirmation in present tense. Affirmation should be short, sweet, and there are various other methods to how to go deep in subconscious, how to program the subconscious. Beside the psychosomaty, there is LSM, lifestyle medicine. Harvard and Stanford are running courses on lifestyle medicine. How we spend our time, whole 24 hours decides our health, especially our food, how we sleep, how we exercise. These all things matter. How we love, how we communicate. In holistic acupressure, we work upon all these areas. Holistic acupressure has very good result in every disease. मैं तो इतना भी कहता हूँ, एलोपैथी से भी बेहतर है होलिस्टिक एक्यूप्रेशर, क्योंकि ये कंप्लीट साइंस है. 360 डिग्री एरिया ऑफ आवर लाइफ को ये टेक केयर करता है. और डॉक्टर बर्नी सिगल कहते हैं, कोई बीमारी लाइलाज नहीं है. अगर हम ओपन माइंडसेट से अप्रोच करें तो हर एक डिजीज़ में हम क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं, बेहतर लाइफ पा सकते हैं. हॉलिस्टिक एक्यूप्रेशर समझें और उसे अपनाएं। दिस इज डॉक्टर एस रंजन, मेडिकल एक्यूपंक्चरिस्ट and holistic acupressure trainer. Thank you for watching the video.